Hi, Ginger. Hi, baby. Hey, Kune Kune piggies. This is Ginger. Hi, Ginger. Whoa. What's the matter? You can't be hungry. You just ate. I know, you're a piggy. What? Piggies.
Hi, Ginger. Hi, Onyx.
And the little guys. It's gonna storm. It's pretty windy.
What do you think about their size? Looks like Ginger's completely recovered from her piglets.
Yes, she is. She looks pretty good.
I mean, she's maybe a little bit skinny still. Onyx is back 100%.
Yeah, she's a pig. She eats like one.
But Ginger looks a lot better. Don't you, Ginger? Yeah.
Alright guys, it for today. I haven't posted in a while, but it's been pretty hectic. That's a beautiful wifey. Thanks for watching, guys.